Creating sales receipts one by one in QuickBooks Desktop can take time, especially when your sales receipt data is already in Excel, CSV, POS exports, e-commerce reports, or another system. Instead of creating each sales receipt manually, SaasAnt Transactions Desktop lets you import sales receipt data in bulk, map the fields, review the records before sending them to QuickBooks Desktop, and undo the import if needed. In this video, I'll show you how to import sales receipts into QuickBooks Desktop using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. Before you begin, let's connect SaasAnt Transactions Desktop with QuickBooks Desktop. First, install SaasAnt Transactions Desktop from the product page. Once the installation is complete, launch the application. Next, go to the File menu and click on Connect to QuickBooks when prompted. Authorize the application certificate to allow access. After completing these steps, your QuickBooks company file will be successfully connected to SaasAnt Transactions Desktop. To start 30-day free trial of SaasAnt, just click the link in the description to get started today. From the SaasAnt home screen, click Import. Now choose the QuickBooks transaction or list type. For this example, select Sales Receipt. If you need a clean file format, you can click Sample Templates and prepare your sales receipt file using the SaasAnt template. Next, browse and select your prepared sales receipt file from your system. Here, I'm choosing SaasAnt Default Mapping. Continue to the mapping screen. SaasAnt will map the fields in your file with the matching QuickBooks sales receipt fields. If needed, you can also adjust the mapping manually. Make sure the necessary fields, such as customer, sales receipt date, deposit to account, item, quantity, rate, and amount are mapped correctly. Once the mapping is done, continue to the Review and Import screen. Here, check the sales receipt data before sending it to QuickBooks Desktop. You can make quick corrections directly in the grid if needed. You can also open Import Settings to control how SaasAnt handles missing customers, products or services, accounts, classes, and other related details before sending the data to QuickBooks. Review the settings based on your file and QuickBooks setup. Once done, click Save. Once everything looks correct, click Send to QuickBooks. SaasAnt will now validate the file and import the sales receipts into QuickBooks Desktop. After the import is completed, you'll see the results summary. Here, you can check the successful records, failed records, and errors, if any. If any record fails, review the error message, fix the issue, and re-import the corrected records. To verify the imported sales receipt, click the QuickBooks link from the results screen. SaasAnt will open the specific sales receipt inside QuickBooks Desktop. If you imported the wrong file or noticed an error after import, use Undo to roll back the imported sales receipts and keep your QuickBooks records clean. That's how you can import sales receipts into QuickBooks Desktop in bulk using SaasAnt Transactions Desktop.